So perhaps you decide that you want to attach these two pieces of wood together, but instead of using a nail, you would like to use a screw. So in order to do that, you're going to need to drill a hole here. If you just try to screw this in here, you're going to split your wood, just like with this larger nail. So we're going to drill a hole first. Go into your drill bits and find a drill bit that's going to be slightly smaller than the screw that you are going to use. So I'm going to use this one. Remember, with the drill, you're going to turn the chuck so that you can fit the drill bit in. Tighten it up. Make sure it's going forward. Figure out where you want the screw to be. So maybe I would like it to be right here. And there's two ways to do this. One is you can hold it in place, or you can use a clamp. I'm going to use a clamp here. I'm going to turn the camera so you can see. Okay, so I'm going to clamp this piece of wood together on the table, right where I want it to be. I'm going to use the drill and drill a hole exactly where I want that screw to be. Then I'm going to take my drill bit, remove the drill bit, and change it for a screwdriver drill bit, which looks like this. So you have to open the chuck a lot larger to get the screwdriver drill bit in there. Okay. Then I take the screw, put it on there. Very slowly, I'm going to put it in there. Uh-oh, look what happened. The wood split. The reason why the wood split is because the hole wasn't big enough. So let's try it again over here. We'll use a bigger screwdriver, or a bigger drill bit this time. So last time we used this one. This time we're going to use a bigger one. We're going to use this one. So it's the same process. Put that drill bit in there. We're going to drill a hole. Like that. And then we're going to switch it out for this one. We're going to get another screw. Put it on where we want it. Like that. And that's what it should look like. So you can see the difference. If you don't have the right size hole, it's going to split your wood. If you do have the right size, then that screw is going to work pretty well for you. If you've got something like this happening and you want to get rid of it, just reverse your drill and take it out. Like that. But now we have it attached.